Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by assembling your inputs and defining a table structure so formulas behave predictably. Import CSV or copy data into a clean sheet, then convert to a table with Ctrl+T. Once done, inspect and set column data types, dates, numbers, or text, so sorting and calculations work correctly. You're doing this now to avoid noise later. Consistent types prevent errors in lookups and pivots, and they make validation and automation far easier to apply. You now clean and transform the table to prepare analysis. Use text to columns and functions like trim, clean, and value to remove stray characters and convert types. Then add helper columns for normalized keys, date parts, or calculated flags. This simplifies complex tasks. Once stable, replace volatile formulas with structured references or name ranges, and write 1 or 2 dynamic formulas that you can drag or convert to array formulas. Make sure to document steps in a note so processes are repeatable. You finish by building the outputs and locking the workflow. Create pivot tables or final formulas, format for readability, and apply data validation for inputs. Then protect sheets, save version copies, and export PDFs or shared workbooks for stakeholders. If something breaks, first inspect column data types and hidden blanks, then enable formula evaluation and check for circular references. Correcting a single mistyped date often resolves cascading issues. Finally, confirm results against a small.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.